High above the Earth, a symphony of light plays out across the night sky. The Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights, is a breathtaking spectacle. Imagine shimmering curtains of light dancing and rippling in vibrant hues of green, purple and red. It is a phenomenon that has captivated humanity for millennia. This celestial ballet is most commonly seen in the high-latitude regions of the Northern Hemisphere. Countries like Canada, Alaska, Norway and Iceland are renowned for their aurora displays. But what causes this magical display of light and colour? The story of the Aurora Borealis begins with our Sun. The Sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This solar wind carries energy and magnetic fields from the Sun throughout our solar system. When the solar wind reaches Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield, deflecting most of the solar wind. However, some of these charged particles get trapped in the Earth's magnetic field lines. These trapped particles are then funneled towards the Earth's poles where the magnetic field lines converge. It is here, in the upper atmosphere, that the magic of the Aurora Borealis unfolds. As the charged particles from the Sun collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, they transfer their energy. This energizes the atoms, causing them to release light. The color of the light depends on the type of atom that is energized. The most common color seen in the Aurora Borealis is green. This is produced by the excitation of oxygen atoms. When oxygen atoms at high altitudes are energized, they emit green light. Other colors, such as red, blue and purple, can also be seen in the aurora. Red auroras are rarer and occur when oxygen atoms at lower altitudes are energized. Blue and purple auroras are produced by the excitation of nitrogen atoms. The Aurora Borealis is not a static phenomenon. The lights constantly move and shift, creating a mesmerizing display of dancing lights. The shapes and movements of the aurora are influenced by the Earth's magnetic field and the intensity of the solar wind. Sometimes the aurora appears as shimmering curtains of light, gently swaying in the breeze. Other times it takes the form of arcs, bands or spirals, twisting and turning across the sky. The speed and intensity of the aurora can also vary. On nights with high solar activity, the aurora can be incredibly bright and fast-moving, creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Section 5. Myriad Forms. The Aurora Borealis is a highly dynamic phenomenon, and no two displays are ever the same. Each display is a unique masterpiece painted by nature, a fleeting moment of beauty that can never be replicated. The shapes, colors and movements of the lights are constantly changing, creating an endless variety of patterns. These patterns can range from subtle, gentle waves to intense, vibrant bursts of color that dance across the sky. One of the most common forms is the auroral curtain. This form is particularly mesmerizing as it resembles a celestial curtain of light swaying gently in the cosmic breeze. This appears as a long, flowing sheet of light that hangs vertically in the sky. The auroral curtain can stretch for miles, creating a stunning visual effect that captivates all who witness it. Auroral curtains can be incredibly thin or quite wide, and they often have a rippling or waving appearance. This rippling effect is caused by the interaction of solar winds with the Earth's magnetic field, adding to the dynamic nature of the display. Another common form is the auroral arc. This form is equally enchanting, offering a different perspective on the northern lights. This appears as a curved or arched band of light that stretches across the sky. The arc can vary in intensity and color, sometimes appearing as a faint, ethereal glow and other times as a bright, vivid streak. Auroral arcs can be very long, sometimes spanning the entire horizon. This creates a panoramic view that is both awe-inspiring and humbling, reminding us of the vastness and beauty of our universe. They often appear in conjunction with auroral curtains, creating a breathtaking tapestry of light. This combination of forms results in a complex and mesmerizing display that leaves a lasting impression on all who are fortunate enough to witness it. Section 6. Legends in the Sky. Throughout history, the Aurora Borealis has inspired wonder and awe in people around the world. This natural light display, often seen in high-latitude regions, has captivated the imagination of countless generations. Many cultures have developed myths and legends to explain this celestial phenomenon. These stories often reflect the values, beliefs, and creativity of the people who told them. In Norse mythology, the Aurora Borealis was said to be the shimmering armor of the Valkyries, female figures who decided who would live or die in battle and carried their souls to the afterlife. These Valkyries were revered as powerful and mystical beings. These warrior women were said to ride horses across the sky, creating the flickering lights of the aurora. The sight of the aurora was believed to be a sign of their presence, a reminder of the bravery and valor of warriors. In Finnish mythology, the Aurora Borealis is called Revontule, which translates to foxfires. This name reflects the enchanting and magical nature of the lights. According to legend, an Arctic fox runs across the snow, its tail sweeping up snowflakes that sparkle in the night sky. This beautiful tale captures the wonder and mystery of the aurora, connecting it to the natural world and the creatures that inhabit it. Across the globe, from the indigenous peoples of North America to the ancient Greeks, the Aurora Borealis has been a source of inspiration and storytelling. Each culture has its own unique interpretation, adding to the rich tapestry of human mythology. Today, the Aurora Borealis continues to fascinate and inspire. Modern technology allows us to capture and share its beauty like never before, but the ancient legends remind us of the timeless wonder that these lights have always evoked. Section 7. A global phenomenon. While the Aurora Borealis is most commonly associated with the Northern Hemisphere, a similar phenomenon occurs in the Southern Hemisphere. This is known as the Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights. The Aurora Australis is caused by the same process as the Aurora Borealis, charged particles from the Sun interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. The only difference is that these particles are directed towards the South Pole instead of the North Pole. The Aurora Australis is visible from high-latitude regions of the Southern Hemisphere, such as Antarctica, Australia and New Zealand. However, it is less commonly observed than the Aurora Borealis because there is less landmass in the Southern Hemisphere at these extreme latitudes. Section 8. Chasing the lights. For many people, seeing the Aurora Borealis is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Aurora chasing has become a popular activity, with travelers venturing to high-latitude destinations in hopes of catching a glimpse of this celestial display. The best time to see the Aurora Borealis is during the winter months, when the nights are long and dark. The optimal conditions for viewing the aurora are clear skies, minimal light pollution, and high solar activity. There are now websites and apps that provide aurora forecasts, predicting the likelihood of seeing the lights based on current solar activity and weather conditions. These tools can be helpful for planning an aurora chasing trip. Section 9. A timeless spectacle. The Aurora Borealis is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. This mesmerizing phenomenon, also known as the Northern Lights, has been a source of wonder and inspiration for countless generations. This celestial display, caused by the interaction between the Sun and the Earth's atmosphere, has captivated humanity for centuries. The charged particles from the Sun collide with the gases in our atmosphere, creating a dazzling array of colors that dance across the night sky. Whether it is the shimmering curtains of green, which often appear as waves gently rippling across the sky, the dancing arcs of purple, which can sometimes form intricate patterns and shapes, or the rare flashes of red, which are less common but no less spectacular, the Aurora Borealis is a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Each display is unique, offering a different experience every time you witness it. It is a reminder that we are part of a vast and interconnected universe where the forces of nature are constantly at play, creating beauty beyond our imagination, and that there is still much to learn and discover about the world around us. The Aurora Borealis invites us to explore, to seek out new knowledge, and to appreciate the wonders of our planet. So next time you find yourself under a dark, clear sky, far from the lights of the city, Take a moment to look up. Let the vastness of the night sky fill you with a sense of wonder and possibility. You never know. You might just be lucky enough to witness the magic of the Aurora Borealis for yourself. It is an experience that will stay with you forever, a timeless spectacle that connects us to the mysteries of the universe.